Hi folks, yes, this is Aaron, Crypto Noob. I am in the car and it is really raining very heavily, so excuse the noise, but this can't wait. So this is a headline in the Bitcoinist and it's to do with Ripple as the SEC begs the court not to disclose the Hinman documents and threatens an appeal. So while the US SEC Chairman Gary Gensler is calling for a crackdown on crypto based on existing laws and due precedents, he may find his nemesis in Ripple and the battle over the Hinman documents. And this paragraph here is really interesting. So, redactions of all documents related to the summary judgments were due to be filed by the SEC and Ripple yesterday. Both parties met that deadline in a timely manner, and the SEC's filing reveals that it's not ready to release the Hinman documents to the public. So in the document, the SEC is begging the district judge, Annalisa Torres, not to release the documents while also issuing a threat, saying that the SEC respectfully maintains that the Hinman speech documents are protected by privilege. But if these documents were to become part of the public record, the SEC would be forced to foreclose from making any such argument in the future on appeal in this litigation or in other litigation, which would be highly prejudicial to the SEC. I think that translates as hashtag shitting their pants. It would set a precedent and they would be at a loss for future cases, which is something we thought about in terms of the fair notice defense as well. Now, Ripple community attorney Jeremy Hogan commented that on this paragraph in the document, the SEC is still arguing that the Hinman emails are privileged, despite losing that issue about 100 times already. It blows my mind and makes me curious, is that a word, about what is in them. Another community lawyer, Bill Morgan, points out that the threat the SEC is making, according to the SEC, Torres is not authorized to release the Hinman documents because they could appeal the summary judgment process and decision. So for me, this is really bullish. They really don't want these email documents to go out to the public. And I think at the end of the day, they're basically saying, like we've said all along, they would rather settle the case, I think, than let these documents leak out and the risk of losing future cases. So Ripple are in a very strong position to settle if that's what they want to do. But they've already said in the past they don't want to settle. They want that clarity. Let me know what you think they should do. Like, follow. Remember to comment. What should Ripple do now? Should they go for settlement or should they go for the win?